Okay, at first just go to project and create a new class. In this class, we are going to print today one 2D array. So let us give a meaningful class name, array 2D print. And just one correction, start the class name with capital. It's better to do like that. Now get inside the class. Now let us just remove whatever things are already present here. It doesn't require, we will write by own. So let us create a main method. Now inside this main method, now we are going to create a 2D array. So 2D array means two-dimensional array. Suppose the array name is A. So first one square bracket represent row, number of rows, and second one square bracket represent number of columns. Now how to initialize 2D array? We can take user input, also we can directly initialize values. Here I am directly initialize the value. So suppose this is a 3 into 3 array, means here 3 rows will be there and 3 columns will be there. So in which the first row will contain these elements, then the next row will contain 4, 5 and 6. Then again you have to put a comma, and then inside again a curly brace, you have to mention the next 3 elements. Now all the elements I have initialized inside our array. Now how to print this array? Now in 2D array, as I have said, there is a number of rows and columns. So let us give the outer loop name as row. Okay. So row will start from 0 position and row should end before third, because row carrying how many rows are there? I have said 3 rows are there. So as because the counting is starting with 0, so it should end in 2, because 0, 1, 2 means 3 rows. Now every time the row have to increment and it should go to the next row, it should print the number 1 row, number 2 row, like this. Now inside this we have to give another one loop which will iterate the number of columns. So column again starting with 0 and column elements are also 3 and it will always increment. So now now inside the column 1, first print the elements. System dot out dot print A of R, A of C, and then give one space. Now outside of this column loop, every time each column elements have been given, the cursor should move to the next row. So for that, just print one print statement. Now let's do the compilation. Okay. Not print statement, it will be print element, because print statement alone doesn't work. You have to put some value, so we have to use print element statement. Okay, over. Now it's alright, no mistake is there. Let us just run the code. So actually previously one code was already there, so I didn't run the code. Now you can see that 3 rows are there. First row is having 1, 2, 3, second row is having 4, 5, 6, and the third row is having 7, 8, 9. So this is how simply we can write a program. First we will declare the array type with integer type, and this is a 2-dimensional array, so 2 array square brackets are required. First one denotes rows and second one denotes columns. So for printing, first you have to iterate row starting with 0 to up to 2, which is less than 3. For likewise the column also, and lastly just print the array element and give some space after each and every element is getting printed. Okay, each and every elements are getting printed, and then what you can do, after the first row has been printed, then there will be the cursor should move to the next line and then print the next element 4, 5, 6. Okay, then again all the elements will be printed then, like this. I hope people got it. Thank you.